Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, December the 1st, 2023. And we have here two regular puzzles. One I've already done, the medium Sudoku, and this one I will continue. And today it's the first Friday of the month, so every first Friday of the month I will do a speed test to train your brain to think faster. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles I will do in the evening, not all, only 4 of them, 4 out of 7 I will do. But this Tectonic I will continue number 7542. 7542. Alright. Speed test, almost 1 minute pass, so let's get started without comments, without instructions. Okay, these, okay, let me see these, okay, these, yeah, okay. We have boxes, 2, 1 and a 3. Well, come on, 1 and a 2, 4, 2, 1 and a 3, no 2 here, 2, 2, 1, okay, 3, no 3 here, double 3 there, this cannot be a 3, that box should be a 3. 2, 2, no 2 here, 2, 2. This should be a 1 then. 3. This should be a 2. No 4 here. This should be the 4, 1 and the 5. What can it be on 5 here? Should be a 1. This should be the 5. 3, 3, 1. 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. Oh yes, this is 1. No 5 here. 3. 2, 5. No 3. 3 should be there. 4, 4. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2, 1 and 4. No 5 here, no 5 should be here, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, this should be a 3, this should be a 1, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 4, no 1 there, this can be a 1, yes, 5, 2 and a 3, here can be a 3, this should be the 3, this should be the 2, 3, this should be a 4, connected with that box should be a 4, 5 and 2, no 5 here, 5, 5, no 2 here, 2 goes together, this should be the 5, 4, can it be a 2, should be a 3, 2, this should be the 2, this should be the 5, no 2 and a 3. Oh, this can be 3. This should be 3. This should be the 2. 1 and a 5. This should be the 4. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 3. Oh, can it be a 2 here? This should be the 2. 4 and a 3. No 4 here. 4 should be here or there. 4 or 8. Well, we have a 3. This should be the 3. This should be the 4. This should be the 3. This should be the 2. No 4 there. 4. 1 and a 5. No 2 there. 2 should be here or there. 1, 2, 3. This should be 4, 5. One. No one there. One could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. Well, we have a double 1 there. This should be 1, this should be 5. No 5. 5 should be here. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. 4 should be here. No 1 goes there. This is a 5. Then this should be a 4. No 1 there. No 1. 1 should be here. 2 and 3 and a 2. No 3 there. And 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3, 2. No. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. This box should be a 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 and a 5. 5 and a 4. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Finish in 6 minutes. Well, -1, 5 minutes. We solve it again. Speed test December 2023. Yes, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.